Operating a forklift requires skill training and experience. Although it may seem as easy as driving a car, there are many factors that make driving a forklift much more difficult. Learning how to operate a forklift safely can help to prevent accidental injuries and possible death. The goal of forklift training is to help you achieve a work environment that is accident-free and meets OHS regulations. This training will help guide you through the steps of how to operate forklifts safely. Topics you will learn about include How to safely operate a forklift. 2. Pre- and post-operation procedures. 3. Inspection and maintenance of the forklift. A properly operated forklift, along with carefully followed safety procedures, will go a long way towards reaching the goal of a safe working environment at all times.